Hello students, so let's understand the fourth condition. If the claim is more than the amount of the workman compensation reserve, it means that you have only 1 lakh rupees reserve in the form of the workman compensation reserve, but the claim arises of rupees 1,20,000. Then what will be done? So whole of the reserve will be exhaust here. So we will do the in the journal entry, workman compensation reserve account will be debited by 1 lakh and the revaluation account will be debited by rupees 20,000. That is the deficiency to cover the claim of rupees 1,20,000. In the credit side we will write here 1,20,000. So we have not written here, but you understand that we will write 1,20,000 in the credit side. So this 20,000 whatever in the journal entry made the debit side of in the debit of rupees 20,000 as a revaluation account. This 20,000 is the loss for the firm. So this 20,000 is the loss for the firm. So as well as the loss is also distributed in the partners among the partners in their old profit sharing ratio. So the journal entry will be made here. So profit and loss partners capital account will be debited by rupees 20,000 and the revaluation account will be credited by rupees 20,000. So in this way we will make the partners capital account debit by rupees 20,000 and to revaluation account, because we are going to set up this loss from the partners capital account by debiting the partners capital account. Okay, so this is the fourth condition for the treatment of the workman compensation reserve. Okay, so I hope students you got the question and you understand this topic, how to treat the journal, how to treat the reserve and accumulated profit when there is accumulated profit transferred to the capital account, when there is the workman compensation arises, if there is no claim against the workman compensation reserve, and if the claim for the workman compensation is lower than the amount of the workman compensation reserve, and when the claim is equal to the workman compensation reserve, and when the claim is more than the amount of the workman compensation reserve. So if you have any doubts regarding the workman compensation reserve or workman compensation reserve, or in that when the treatment of when the reserve and accumulated profits and loss transferred to the capital account. So if you have any doubts regarding this video or regarding this topic, you can consult me, you can ask me. Okay students, so this is the this is the last topic of this workman compensation reserve account, and in the coming video we will discuss about the practical question based on this concept. Okay students.